Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix MLB The Show 26 crashes as a startup, not launching or won't launch issue or launching failed problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the fixes. The first fix is restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and then press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PlayStation and then check problem solved or not. Fix 2 is to log out and log in. So simply log out from your PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and accounts, others, sign out, and then wait for a few minutes and then log in back and then launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to switch internet connection. Now you can use the Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then you can launch the game and check. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then you can switch to mobile data via hotspot. If possible, then you can also connect to other Wi-Fi network and then check. Or simply restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then check. Fix 4 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check which one work for you. Fix 5 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Now press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound. Then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Now use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database OK. Now launch the MLB The Show 26 game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to restore license. So on your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and then go to restore license. Select MLB The Show 26 game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to disable enable HDCP. So go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI type. Turn off enable HDCP and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then check. Fix 8 is to delete the game data and cache. Now please take a note, you must back up the saved data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. After then, go to settings, save data and game/app settings, select save data PS5 and then navigate to console storage, delete, then select MLB The Show 26 game and then select delete OK. Now restart your console and then launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to change DNS settings manually. So go to PlayStation settings, network settings, set up internet connections. On your internet, press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Change DNS settings from automatic to manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then hit OK and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If your problem is not solved, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then hit OK. Now you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 10 is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So if you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the MLB The Show 26 game to the SSD and then you can try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve MLB The Show 26 game crashes as a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.